everybody, it's Mr. Hoff here with Classroom Composers, and in today's video lesson we're going to learn how to buzz, we're going to learn how to make a sound on our mouthpiece, and then we're going to be doing some buzzing, some mouthpiece, and eventually some whole trumpet exercises. This is going to correspond with lessons number 10 and 11 in the pre-method book. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to quickly set our trumpet embouchure. So we're going to say the letter M, we're going to get our corners firm, and we're going to get our lower lip flat against our teeth. M. So just like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a buzz. And the way that we're going to create a buzz is we're going to blow air through our embouchure, and we're going to get our top lip and our lower lip to vibrate with that air. And if you do it correctly, you should get a buzzing sound. So it'll sound like this. Here are some bad examples of some buzzing because my corners are not firm. And here's a bad example when I'm doing smoochy lips.
Boo!
Remember, corners firm, lip flat. And that's going to be the buzzing sound that you're going to want. Now we're going to bring our mouthpiece into it, and we're going to get that buzz going, and we're going to buzz through our mouthpiece, and we should get a sound with the mouthpiece. So here we go. And that's the sound that we're looking for. Again, I'll show you some bad ones. This is going to be with the smoochy lips. Then we're going to do it with the corners not firm. Okay, so make sure corners firm and the lower lip flat. Now that we've done our embouchure and we've done the buzzing and we've played a sound on the mouthpiece, we're going to do some exercises. And we're going to do 3 rounds of exercises. There's going to be 3 exercises within each round. The first round of exercises is going to be just with the buzzing. The second time is going to be with the mouthpiece. And then the third time is going to be with the entire trumpet. The first exercise that we're going to do is we're going to take a deep breath and we're going to buzz for as long as we can until we are out of air. And we're going to do this a total of 4 times. So here we go. I'm out of air. Second time. I'm out of air. Third time. I'm out of air, and fourth and final time. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to buzz for 4 total counts, and then we're going to stop, we're going to reset, and we're going to do it a total of 4 times. So we're going to get the metronome turned on here to help us with our counting. Ready, breathe. Second time, breathe. Third time, breathe. Fourth time, breathe. And off right there. And our third and final exercise, what we're going to do is we're going to buzz 4 times in a row, but we're only going to buzz for 1 count each. We're going to articulate with the word ta, and we're going to use our tongue to start each sound. So here we go, 4 times in a row. Let's get the metronome going. Breathe. Second time. Breathe. Third time, breathe. Last time, breathe. And off right there. We're going to do the same 3 exercises, but this time with the mouthpiece. So the first exercise is we're going with the buzz as long as we can. Second time. Third time. Moving on, we're going to get the metronome going here, and we're going to be going buzz for 4 total counts. Breathe. Second time, breathe. Third time, breathe. Fourth time, breathe. And off right there. And our final exercises, we're going 4 times in a row for 1 count each. Make sure that you're keeping your tone as steady as possible and you're not letting your sound waver and you're not moving your body. Make sure that you're articulating with the word ta and you're using your tongue to start each sound. So here we go, 4 times in a row. Breathe. Second time, breathe. Third time, breathe. And last time, breathe. And off. Okay, our final round of exercises is we're going to do it with the full instrument this time, so put your mouthpiece into your trumpet. We're going to be using no fingers. Here we go, we're going as long as we can. Out of air, second time. Out of air, third time. And out of air, fourth time. Moving on, we're going to go for 4 counts each. Let's get that metronome set up here. And here we go. Breathe. Second time, breathe. Third time, breathe. Last time, breathe. And instrument down and off. The final time is we're going to go 4 times in a row for 1 count each. Breathe. Second time, breathe. Third time, breathe. Fourth time, breathe. And off right there. Make sure that you're doing these exercises every single day with the buzzing, with the mouthpiece, with the full trumpet, so that you can develop your sound so that you sound as best as you possibly can.